Miss Ponmati, your interview is going to be on which date? I think this is your second mock with me, na?
Yes, sir. My interview is on 16th November, sir.
15th, tomorrow.
16th, sir. No, sir. Saturday.
What is today's date?
Today's 14th, sir.
Acha, yours is 16th, 1-6. Acha, I heard it as 1-5, 1-5. Doesn't matter. Good.
Okay. Okay.
பொன்பதி உங்களை பத்தி சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். உங்களை பத்தி
Okay.
பிரீஃபா சொல்லுங்க and
Okay.
highlighting why we should select you.
Okay, sir. I'm Jay Panmati. I'm from Madurai. I have completed my master's in commerce from Fatima College, Madurai, affiliated to Madurai Comrade University. My father is a building contractor and my mother is a my mother is a teacher. And I have my hobbies like cooking and doing art and crafts. I am a very dedicative and hardworking person, and I am committed towards my goals. As a result of this, I was awarded as a best outgoing student in my during my undergraduate degree.
Which college was it?
Fatima College, sir, Madurai.
Oh,
Women's College.
You're supposed to be a good college. Is it an autonomous college or under
Yes, sir,
university?
autonomous college.
Achha. Very good. What is the advantage of studying in autonomous colleges?
They have their own set of rules, sir. They change the rules according to the woman, so it is advantageous, sir.
No, but for this question, I think you should give a different answer. Advantages of studying in autonomous colleges. Number one, the examinations are conducted by the college only. And
Okay.
So a close association with the teachers or the professors with a good opinion will give us good marks and will also act as an encouragement for us. This is the plus point. Negative point is sometimes in some autonomous colleges, the questions are being released even before the examination. With the result, the real performance of the student cannot be ascertained. And one factor against for the students is that sometimes when you are interacting with your professors or lecturers not in a good manner, that may spoil your record also. That is another problem.
Yes, sir.
Doesn't matter. Now, please tell me, what do you understand by profit and loss account?
Profit and loss account, it is divided into two parts. The first part shows the direct expenses related to the business, from which we get the gross profit or gross loss. And in the second part, it shows the indirect expenses related to the day-to-day running of the business, and it results in the net profit. And the net profit is added to the capital in the balance sheet.
Good. How will you read a balance sheet?
Okay.
What will be the first item? What will be the last item?
The first item in the balance sheet is the capital, sir. The capital employed in the business.
No. That is what we see in the, say, balance sheet put up in the newspapers. But you have to tell that first item in a balance sheet. I have already posted a video on that, and I have shared information also, because this was recently asked in an interview. First item is assets. First item is assets.
Oh, sorry, sir. Horizontal is a form of balance sheet.
Correct.
Oh, okay.
And the last one is Last one is the capital and reserves. Okay,
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
that is how you have to tell. See, in the case of RRB,
Yes, sir.
what is the capital structure? Who has contributed to the capital?
Three contribution are there, sir. 50% is contributed by the central government, 35% is contributed by the uh, sponsored bank, and 15% is by the state government.
Good. Now, in the balance sheet of banks, deposits will
Okay.
appear under which side of the balance sheet?
Deposits is a liability for the bank, so it will appear on the liabilities of the balance sheet, sir.
Good. Very good. You told nicely. Please tell me what do you understand by pledge?
Um, Pledge is a form of lending a loan through properties, sir.
No. Pledge is, in the case of pledge, the movable property offered as security is kept under the custody of the bank, such as
Okay,
the gold loan. In the case of gold loan, the gold is kept under pledged to the bank.
okay,
Now,
okay, sir.
can you explain now how will you define a pledge?
Pledge is a form of uh, loan. Sorry, sir. So just a form of
Or
loan.
you can explain using an example also. Say in the case of gold loan, a banker is giving advance against the gold jewels, and those jewels are kept under the custody of the bank.
Of,
And this will be returned after adjustment of the loan. Do you
okay.
follow? So
Yes, sir.
now,
I'm fine.
please now try to tell me. Try. தமிழ்ல
It
பேசு
is
இல்லைன்னா
pledges
தமிழ்ல சொல்லு. கோல்டு லோன் ஜுவல் லோன் கொடுக்கறதுல பத்தி சொல்லவும்.
அடகு வைக்கிறது மாதிரி தானே சார்? அடகு வச்சு
ஆ ம்
வச்சுட்டு அதுல லாக்கர்ல இருக்கும். அதுக்கு இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட்டும் நம்ம லாக்கர் ஃபீஸ் மாதிரி பே பண்ணணும்.
இல்ல
அதுல
இல்ல
நமக்கு
தப்பு
லோன்
தப்பு
தருவாங்க.
தப்பு 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 சூப்பரா தப்பா சொல்றேன். Pledge in the
Okay.
case of jewel loan, there is no question of
Sir.
any locker fees and all that. See, the customer comes, gives the jewel to the bank, banker takes it as a pledge. He is keeping it under his custody. There is no question of locker rent and all that for that. Do
Banker
you
keepers
follow
as a custody. Yes, sir.
custody till adjustment of the
Okay.
loan? I am
Okay.
asking this question because you are a BCom graduate. Otherwise, I will not ask. What is a
Okay.
hypothecation?
Hypothecation is usually on house loans. On house is given as a security, collateral security, and the
Totally,
loan from that is
tot,
used for the
tot,
renovation of the.
totally wrong. Totally wrong. Hypothecation will come in the case of giving as security vehicles, movable goods such as vehicles and stocks.
Sorry,
In
sir,
the
I
case
told
of
the mortgage.
why are you telling mortgage when I am asking hypothecation?
Okay.
Can you tell me who is the governor of RBI?
Um, Sri Shaktikanta Das,
Can you tell me the reason why I should not select you as a PO in our bank?
not select me. Okay.
Hmm.
Um, I think I don't have any point on that, sir. If there is any fault in me, I will correct it and work accordingly.
Mhm. Okay.
And with little
Yeah,
bit training, I can correct my mistake.
very good. Now, can you tell me what do you know about RBI?
RBI, Reserve Bank of India, is the central bank of our country. It regulates the financial transactions in our country. It acts as a banker to the banks, and it regulates the inflation by revealing the monetary policy.
Hmm,
It issues the currency. It manages the foreign exchange. It acts as a lender of last resort to the banks. It acts as a
hmm,
banker to the government.
hmm,
It was established in 1935 under the RB Act 1934,
hmm,
and there are 21 members in RBI, one
hmm,
governor and four deputy governors, and 10 members relating to the various department in the government, and two
hmm,
members from the Ministry of Finance, and remaining four members from the local area, from the four
hmm,
directions of the country.
hmm. How they are managing inflation?
They are managing inflation by the Monetary Policy Committee by changing the rates accordingly.
Hmm. How?
Repo rate, repo
Hmm.
rate plays an important role. So
What is
when there is high cash,
what is India's October retail inflation?
it is 6.2. So
Correct. Good. Very good. I am happy you told the right thing. Normally, students don't tell this. Now it is 6.21. Good. What is wholesale price inflation?
yes, yes, yes.
2.36.
Okay, sir.
2.36%. Good. Can you tell me the subsidiaries of RBI?
Yes, sir. There are five subsidiaries under RBI.
Hmm.
Uh, First one is Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee in Corporation of India.
Hmm.
It is
Hmm.
established under the Act DJGCC Act 1961. Basically, it
Hmm.
provides insurance for the deposits made by the customers of the bank, uh, because it may at risk when it comes to theft and any natural calamities. Maximum
Hmm.
amount of insurance is 5 lakh can be uh, um, given to the
No, no, no.
insured
Listen,
persons.
listen. When I am asking what are the names of subsidiaries, there is no need
Oh,
for
sorry,
you
sir.
to explain about it. Simply tell all the five names. Then they will ask you to explain about any one or two.
Okay, sir. DAGCC, then Bharat Reserve Bank
Hmm.
Mudran Private Limited,
Hmm.
Mudran Limited,
Correct?
then
Hmm.
Reserve Bank Information Technology Limited, then IFTAS,
Hmm.
Indian Financial Technology and Allied Services, then RB Innovation Hub.
Hmm. Correct. Please tell me about DICGC.
Okay, sir. DAGCC stands for Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation of India. It is established under the Act 1961, and it is established on 1978. It basically insures the deposit made by the customers in the scheduled banks. Um, their deposits are insured, and if there is any national calamity or theft and any unforeseen situations, they will provide insurance up to 5 lakhs. Sir.
Good. Please tell me what do you know about NABARD?
NABARD is uh, mm, stands for National Agriculture Bank for Rural Development. It is
தப்பு தப்பு
formed under the
தப்பு
Sivaraman
தப்பு
Committee.
தப்பு 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 கரெக்டா சொல்லவும் What is the expansion of NABARD?
So National Agricultural Rural Development Bank of India.
National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Hello,
Okay, sir.
correct. Good. Now, mm, now tell me how many subsidiaries are
Yes,
there
sir.
for NABARD?
NABARD subsidiaries.
There are 7 subsidiaries. There
Okay,
are 7 subsidiaries
okay,
for NABARD. They may not ask full details about it, but names: NAB Kisan,
okay,
NAB Samruddhi, NAB Fins,
okay,
NAB Foundation, NAB Khans, NAB Ventures, NAB Sanrakshan, like this. These 7 subsidiaries are
okay,
there for NABARD. Okay. So,
okay,
what is your native
okay.
place? Madurai. Madurai.
Yes, yes, sir. My native place is Madurai.
Mhm. What are the names of famous temples in Madurai?
Yes, sir. Madurai Meenakshi Sundareswara Temple, then
Mm,
Alagar Temple, Kudalalagar
mm,
Perumal Temple, then
mm,
Teppakulam Mariamman Temple.
mm.
Then there are various other temples, sir.
Good. Now, please tell me names of some famous business houses in Madurai. Companies,
Business houses.
shops, firms.
Okay. Okay. Mm. It has companies, Honeywell companies and IT sector companies, HCL
Mm, mm.
and Temple City Software Limited.
Okay.
Then it has AK
Who
Ahmed
is
Kaaba
who, who,
Textile Related.
who who is the mayor of Madurai?
Indra Indrani Ponvasan, sir.
Acha. Good. Very good. Now, do you have any questions?
What else I have to improve, sir?
What do you think you have to improve? Which areas you found you had difficulty in answering me?
In my core subject, in my core areas.
Yeah. Core areas, they may not ask, but sometimes they are asking. For example, in one candidate's recent interview, they have concentrated
Okay,
fully on commerce. What is parts of income statement? What is parts of balance sheet? What are non-fund
okay,
based incomes for the bank? Like that, they are asking I have not asked tough questions to you yet. Tough questions are
yes,
there
sir.
in your own subject, but still, I have not. They have asked what is DRI, what is debt service coverage ratio, like this. So
Yes,
you must be in a
okay,
position to take up those questions also.
okay.
Good. What did you say about your father? What is he?
It's a building contractor, sir, under PWD department.
Good. Don't worry, you are a good student, but
Okay,
sometimes the luck comes to all previous interviews. I never asked about commerce. Time I have asked about commerce. It all depends on one's luck only. But be
okay,
ready with basic things I have been stressing in the interviews
okay,
about yourself, about your degree subject, about your college, about your native place, then about banking, about RRB, about RBI, about SEBI, about IRDAI,
okay,
about SIDBI, like that, everything. Okay,
okay. So, what mark
please.
shall I?
No, no.
I am
I like Ponmati because Ponmati and these children, they are all regular in classes. So I will give you 80 marks. But whether they will give 80,
20.
I don't know. In your
Okay, sir.
in your examination, even 1 mark, 2 mark matters. If you score 80, 16 marks you will get. But that
Yes.
will add weightage to you. But in the real interview, you must score with a happy face, with
Yes.
confidence, and at the same time, it should not be as if you are arrogant. That is, you are not so.
Yes.
You are
Yes.
such a good girl. You're such a good girl. And it should not be a problem for you to score good marks. Best wishes.
Okay. Thank, thank you so much, sir.
Have